Ishubon and Guru in the house, back with another bang on video. Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about some good news about Arsenal. Let's talk about more news because Odsonne Edouard, according to Duncan Castles, Arsenal have upped their bid for Odsonne Edouard. Yes, Duncan Castles say that Arsenal have increased their offer for Celtic's Edouard, and Juve and Atletico are in talks with Alex Lacazette. Well, here's what Duncan Castles says that on Arsenal's offer for Edouard, he says, I understand at present that's a verbal offer of 20 plus 2.5 million pounds. They haven't formalized it yet. What we might see them doing is them formalizing it if Lacazette's discussions over a move out of Arsenal's progresses as he hopes. I can tell you he's been in negotiations with both Atletico and Juventus over a transfer. The asking price, as I understand, is 40 million euros. 40 million euros by Arsenal set up for Alex Lacazette. Well, talking about more stuff, promoting Arteta to first team manager, to my understanding, according to Duncan Castles, included not a pay rise as such, which anyone in his position would be expected to receive, but instead a bonus related payment on achievements. Yes, so he's not taking a pay rise, man. Unbelievable, Mikel Arteta. And talking about more stuff, an interviewer have actually interviewed about Alex Lacazette. He asked him. But when you read that Arsenal want to put you in a deal with Atletico Madrid for Thomas Partey, that must make you happy. Alex says, if that is true, no, that does not make me happy. I'm at Arsenal. I signed a 5-year contract to progress and win titles. I have another 2 years. I'm determined to stay. Is that definitive? Asked the interviewer. Alex Lacazette says, on my part, yes, according to L'Equipe. Dani Ceballos tweets out, counting the minutes to be back tomorrow on the field and fight for a new season with the Gunners. We will be giving all we got from the first minute. Let's go. @Arsenal, hashtag Premier League, hashtag new season. So it looks like Dani Ceballos is ready to roar, man. Yes, he is. And Arsenal training yesterday, you could see Gabriel, and you could see Dani Ceballos with Mesut Ozil, Willian, you could see Sead Kolasinac, and yes, Matteo Guendouzi, Alex Lacazette and Aubameyang with Nicolas Pepe, they all are gelling well. Matteo Guendouzi looks very much integrated now. Oh my god, that's really good. Well, as reported by Nick Ames and James Benge last evening, Emi Martinez has been withdrawn from Arsenal's squad to face Fulham today, and Brighton have emerged as serious contenders to Villa for his signature. Brighton's offer is larger than Villa's latest bid, according to Charles Watts. An Arsenal woman tweeted out, when you remember it's match day today. Yes, it is. And yes, Telegraph also agreed to the fact that Aston Villa are closing to finalizing a deal with Emiliano Martinez. Only time will tell. According to Duncan Castles, more on Odsonne Edouard, that Arsenal's £15 million bid for Odsonne Edouard was rejected by Celtic. That offer has now been increased to £20 million with £2 million in add-ons. The payment would be staged over 4 years, so it looks like the payment will not be straight up front. And yes, Arsenal tweeted out the boss. Yes, the boss. And talking about it, Arsenal bringing those good vibes, always bringing those good vibes. Aubameyang, yes, he is. And Arsenal will be playing in our new third blue kit. Yes, Arsenal will be wearing the third kit for today's visit at Craven Cottage, man. That is cool. And so is Bukayo Saka, who is ready to roar against Fulham. Well, it is, according to certain news and stuff. Sam Dean says, as of today, I understand that there has been no breakthrough in Arsenal's pursuit of David Raya. The Spaniard wants the clubs to start negotiations at least, but Brentford are still not interested in selling. Arsenal are not the only club interested. And talking about it, Mikel Arteta has opened up about Willian. He says, with all the conversations that I had with him, the thing that stood out is his ambition and his willingness to be the man who can drive this club forward as well and be part of it. Well, yes, let's talk about it. Arteta on whether Willian will play out wide or as a number 10. He says he has played both. I think he can play as an attacking midfielder as well. We can field him in 3 or 4 different positions depending on the formation that we use on the day. I'm not concerned by his age at all. We need a balance in the squad. We have some really young talent, and they need some experienced players that they can just put their shirts on and start performing. And that's really great. And talking about Martinez, here's what Arteta said, according to Sam Dean. He says, the keepers, they want to know their role. The other one has to support the one who is not playing 100%. If you are not able to do that, you should not be here. Let's see, let's see. Well, moving on. Well, Neil Warnock confirms that former AFC hero Yaya Sanogo will not be making a return to English Football Club at Middlesbrough. He says, it is one of those things, it is not going to be, and we move on. You get situations like that, he said, of move for the free agent. Well, yes. Well, Arsenal target Hossein Awal hits the post as Lyon draws with Bordeaux in the French League match. Yes, Hossein Awal actually sat down Laurent Koscielny in the match yesterday, and it's really great. And talking about it, well, last season's league stats between Awa and Draxler, yes, you could see that 6 goals, 3 from Draxler, 1 assist from Hosam Awa, 4 from Draxler. Shots per 90 was more from Awa. Dribbles were less, key passes were less, tackles were less, and you could see the more rating for who scored was from Julian Draxler. So let's see how things will turn out. And Hosam Awa tweeted out the images of the game that he played yesterday against Bordeaux. So yes, and Bird Leno tweeted out, ready for the start of the Premier League @ Arsenal. Yes, that's really great. And talking about it, well, Hossein Awar actually was brought on at 59 minutes versus Bordeaux yesterday for his first appearances since the UCL. He's picked up from where he left off, building play from deep, drifted out wide to create and dribbled past people in the middle of the park. Completely changed the game for Lyon. And talking about it, Arteta says that EPL is a completely different competition from the FA Cup. It's a long race and we have to be consistent. It is a big gap from what's happened in the last few seasons and the reason why we were out of the UCL spots. This is our challenge for the season. Well, Vito Manon joins Monaco. Yes, that is it. Vito Manon joins Monaco. And yes, there's a big banter between Aubameyang and Lacazette. Yes, Aubameyang posted out, ready for the start tomorrow, 12:30. Lacazette said, breakfast, 9 o'clock. Aubameyang said, don't comment, sleep. And he's laughing all the way. That is really great from them. Well, Kieran Tierney has opened up about Mikel Arteta. He says, we know we are progressing every day. The manager, we believe in every single word he says. And it is brilliant. Yes, it is match day. And talking about it, Arsenal have only lost one of our last 13 Premier League matches against Fulham, defeat at Craven Cottage in January 2012. And Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang has been directly involved in 16 goals in 13 appearances Premier League against newly promoted opponents, 12 goals and 4 assists. And we haven't lost any of our last 24 matches in the month of September in all competitions, 19 victories and 5 draws. And yes, since his Fulham debut in February 2018, only Aubameyang with 54 goals, Salah with 54 goals and Vardy with 50 goals have scored more league goals in England than Alexander Mitrovic, who has scored 49 goals. And yes, Arsenal have only faced Fulham on the opening day once before, and Arsenal came from a goal down to beat the Cottagers 2-1 in August 2007. And the referee is Chris Kavanagh. Well, we played 57 against them, won 39 of them, lost 8 and drawn 10 against Fulham. And also Arsenal Women's, it's our first away game of the 2020-2021 Barclays FAWSL. It is match day. So these were the news of the day. I hope you enjoyed whatever came your way. All the views and news and everything about Arsenal comes to this platform every single day twice. So sit back, relax and enjoy all the news that comes on this platform. I will see you in my next video. Until then, cheers. And don't forget to subscribe. A new mission, 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Let's do it, guys. I think we can do it. It's not a big problem. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, cheers.